In this video, I'll show you step by step how to find BSC address in Binance. So after you open the Binance app like this, so you tap on this add funds in the home section. So tap on this add. So from this option now tap on this on chain deposit. So now from this option now go and search for the coin you want to add. So let's say I want to add like let's say BNB or any coin. Just select the coin like this. After you search for the coin, so under the coin you'll be able to see this network. So this option network. Just tap on this option network under any coin. After you select the network, so now here is the BSC network. So any coin in Binance has this option. Just go and search for it for the coin BSC network, select it. So and then now here is the address. So that's it guys on how to find BSC address in Binance. If this video helps, like and subscribe.